Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. The 4 hourly and daily time frames look very interesting. So I'm going to be sharing that in just a second. And also, guys, I'm going to be doing some TA with a fellow crypto YouTuber who, I just want to help out the community out there because I know how I started personally, right? I needed, push from other crypto YouTubers to, put myself out there. So I'm planning on doing this to future crypto YouTubers, just like how I started off, and you guys can be a part of that too. Just comment down below your channel, what you do, and maybe in the upcoming weeks I could also feature you on the channel as well. But let's dive in straight into the Bitcoin chart. We're on the daily time frame, and I just want CryptoBliss to give a quick introduction to himself, and then we'll jump straight into it. So CryptoBliss, how are you, man? Nice to have you on.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Crypto Kid, for having me on your channel. Really appreciate it very greatly. Guys, I'm from South Africa. I've been in crypto for only 2 years. I got in at the beginning of 2021. So I've been in the market for just a very short space of time, and I'm learning incredible things from all of these beautiful mentors, especially Crypto Kid. I'm learning a lot from him too. So thank you very much.
No worries at all, man. Glad to have you on. So before I actually share my own views on Bitcoin, could you please give me your views? Actually, you know what? You can share your screen and on the Bitcoin charts, we'll have a look at Bitcoin, and then I will share my own analysis. So let's just quickly flip that so you share your screen and let me stop sharing.
Thanks, Crypto Kid. I really do appreciate that. So this is the daily chart here on Oanda. As you can see, I've drawn the Fibonacci from the bottom where we hit the bottom here to the top of this cycle. And you can see that the 618 is at 21,400. Now, this pattern was almost invalidated. This triangle pattern here was invalidated. We broke down, we faked out, but we are retesting at the moment. But I do have a very strong signal called the UT bots that really tells us when to buy the market or when to sell the market. And basically, it seems as though the Bitcoin on the daily is pulling back up above the purple box here. And if I zoom in on the 4 hour time frame, it almost seems as though we are holding that ground on support at the moment. The RSI is a little bit overbought, but it does seem as though that the volume is picking up again. So we could get one more push up here. I do believe that I drew this as the target at about 29,400, more or less, would be the next target for Bitcoin at the moment.
Oh, that's cool. So we're currently then, according to your analysis, we're retesting the now resistance of that pennant that we were forming. So now is a good level of resistance that we must make above. Otherwise, we could see Bitcoin having a fall back down. That's what I can see from your analysis, at least.
That's correct. Yes.
Perfect.
100%.
That's cool. So what downwards target would you give based on your analysis?
So downwards target based on my analysis. First target, if you don't mind, I'm going to go to this chart here. So I actually have first zone of support down here, which is at about 20, 25,000, more or less,
I think that's
25,200.
the exact same level I have. Yeah, very nice.
Oh, wonderful. And then the next level is support two, which I would probably say is on this green zone, which is about 23,500, more or less.
And do you have any positions open at the moment?
I actually closed my one position yesterday on the Bitcoin because it was a nice rally. I made my percent, I walked away. And that's something that I've been learning in trading is that you really have to learn to take profits and walk away whenever the market hits a support or a resistance zone. So I am in 5 other altcoin trades at the moment, but Bitcoin, I took my profits on Bitcoin yesterday.
Perfect, bro. Awesome. So now that you've shared your analysis, let's jump into my TA. Thank you so much for sharing your analysis. By the way, it looks very, very cool. So let's switch screens again and jump into my charts. All right. Okay. So on the daily time frame, so I have a little bit of a different chart to you. So that's what's perfect, by the way. That's what I love about TA because it's based on perspective and people see different things on the chart. That's why it's always nice to get an outlook of multiple YouTubers, multiple technical analysts, and then end with your own conclusion, your own TA. that is what is super important. But as you guys know, I updated you on this position yesterday. I took a small trade on my own personal trading account, and I put my stop loss to break even and took 50% profits at about this level, which I updated you on the free Telegram channel. Now I'm just riding it to see what happens. My next take profit is at the 28.7K. So the remainder 50% of the trade will close at this level. But if I jump to the 4 hourly time frame, what looks like to me is that we could actually be forming a double top for Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. And if we break the neckline at the 27.7K, which is actually coinciding with this middle range of this huge continuation channel that we've had since like the 16th of March. So this mid range is actually a very important level. And if we break this level of support, which will also be the neckline of this double top, then Bitcoin could see a reversal potentially back down to the 27.2K level, which is another very important level of support for Bitcoin. So I could actually be opening a short position if we break this level of support. And I will update you guys on the free Telegram channel, which you can join using the link in the description below. I try to add as much value for you guys there as possible. So just check it out. It's very nice. And I tend to do TA earlier on than my videos because it's much easier to update. And guys, also let's try and get the Twitter to 10,000 followers. It's incredible. We're almost there. It would be incredible if we can get it to 10,000 followers. It would mean the world to me. But guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Something very important to watch out is that the US debt deal voting deadline is coming very soon. And when that deadline comes, it's going to be very volatile for the markets, which is why I'm in a more of a non-trading zone. And I will update you guys if there is anything crazy going on. And the final chart I'll show you is that we've bounced off very nicely from the 200 period moving average and the EMA ribbons, which are trying to cross over towards the upside. The only thing in our way is this US debt ceiling deal. If we get it out of the way, then I do think Bitcoin could go back up to the $31,000 swing high, which we need to get above to confirm a continuation of this bullish trend that we're in. Because right now we've made a higher low and we've also made a higher high too. So we are in a bullish trend. But if we go above this $31,000 level, then we will remain in this bullish trend and we could go back into a bull market. Finally, that would be amazing to see. But guys, that is pretty much it for me. If you want to check out CryptoBliss's channel, I will link in the description below. And as I said, guys, show some of your work in the description too. Tell me what you're doing, show me your channel. And if I like it, I will also try and bring you guys on as well in the upcoming weeks. But CryptoBliss, thank you so much for joining. We do have a 20,000 subscriber giveaway. I will share it very soon. So stay tuned for that. Turn on the notification bell, leave a like, subscribe. And guys, see you all very soon. Take care, CryptoBliss. Take care, everyone. And bye.
Thank you, Crypto Kid.
No worries at all.
Okay.